Hey guys, so I wanted to pop in today and show you a super quick, easy way to give your short hair like this cute, like kind of beachy waves. It's kind of a little bit tighter than beachy waves, but it's just a super quick, easy technique that you can make your short hair, well, any length of hair, but I feel like especially short hair, just make it look like super cute and ready to go with like next to no effort. Okay, my hair even does need, like, it could use to be washed. It's not terrible, but the roots are a little bit, like it could use it. But so yeah, let's just get started. First, we're going to just leave like a little bit down. Clip that up out of the way. All right, we are going to be using this triple barrel waver from Conair. I actually got this at Walmart. I want to say it was like $20 or $30. I can't remember. I'm sorry. I know that's a $10 difference, but it definitely wasn't more than 30. It was 20 or 30. I just can't remember if it was 19.98 or 29.98. But it's really nice. And now they make ones. I'm going to give you a little triple barrel tip here. They make ones that have like not a flat end, it still has the waver, but it has like a solid flat piece. And those ones don't make as deep and nice of waves. You want one that's like all metal all around it with no like flat plastic piece so that you really get a nice deep wave on it. So, and it just happens to be like rose, gold, and white, so like, which is totally my jam. I'm going to be using my Rusk Thermal Flat Iron Spray. I got it at TJ Maxx for $9.99. You can get Rusk in a lot of places, but it's an aerosol spray, which is what I like about this one. So it sprays like a hairspray. But a lot of them are like spritzer kinds, and a lot of people like those ones. There's a hair on my face. It's tickling me so bad. Excuse me for a second. Okay. The spritzer ones, I don't know. I just don't like them. They just leave my hair too wet. My hair's too fine. I don't know. So you just spray that, comb it through, and then like you literally just clamp it, hold it there for a few, and then when you move down, you want to make sure, see where that bottom wave is? You want to make sure that you stick that where it's going to fit in the top wave, so you don't end up with like a goofy wave pattern there. So just do that, and then leave it. Just drop it. It's weird. It's in a straight line. It's like, but just leave it alone. Just let it be. Trust me. And I have really fine, thin hair. So this goes up to, it doesn't have actual temperatures on it. I wish it did, but it doesn't. It just has numbers from 1 to 30. So I put mine on 20. I feel like 30 is probably, most have a max of either 4 or 450, somewhere in there, 425, 450. Hair burns at 451 degrees. So, and being that I have fine hair, I just put it at 20, which is like one step above the middle. So I feel like that's probably like a 350-ish spot. Alright, and then you just go to your next section. Now, depending on how thick or thin your hair is, depends on how big of sections you can use. Give your neck a spray. Comb it through. See, that was like super thin. I could have went way thicker. Just clamp it and hold it there for a few seconds. Move it down. And obviously the thickness of your hair and the thickness of your section also like weighs in on how long you have to hold it there. Your hair may feel a little stiff That's the protectant spray. Like, it's okay. It's like what it's made to do. It won't be stiff in the end. I've just been doing this for a while now, and I just really like it for, like I said, my short hair especially. I did use it when my hair was longer and blonde, and I felt very mermaid-like. But now I just feel like it just works with like my shorter hair, and like sometimes I use a wand, and I'll show you guys someday, and a flat iron and stuff like that to give it like the beachy curl waves. But you can pretty much feel if you got all your hair in the back. But being that my hair is so thin, sometimes those don't give me like the volume that I want, you know? You just spray each section as you pull it down. You can comb, like, you don't even necessarily have to like comb your flat iron spray through. Like, I kind of do, but you want to hold it up because you don't want to comb through your waves. So, you really don't have to. So, like, I kind of like half comb it through. This is just like the quickest, easiest way to make your hair like look so freaking cute with like next to no effort, which is like, I feel like pretty much what we all want, right? See why I always have lines on my forehead? That's why my lines are so bad. Because I'm always like doing that. Such a bad habit. Trying to relax my forehead. Just watch your ends. Either like just leave them out like that, because like it'll be fine, it'll bend under, or just make sure you don't clamp them so that they like stick out, basically. I will check the back of my head when I'm done, but like I said, for the most part you can feel it. Like, you can feel your wavy hair, and if there's a spot that's not wavy. And I feel like you don't even have to be like very like hair inclined to do this. Like, yes, that's what I do for a living, but like anybody can do this. And the fact that this one's so good and you can just go to Walmart and get it is like pretty awesome. Alright, we're gonna let that side down, but I part to this side, so I still want to leave like one section up here in the middle. Cute, right? The flat iron spray does two things. Of course, I ate that. First and foremost, I get like a bald spot right here. Like, it's really not a bald spot, but my hair part's there and it looks like a bald spot. Anyways, flat iron spray, it's important because A, it protects your hair. That's the most important like reason for it. And B, like with a style like this, especially when you use like a triple barrel, like sometimes your hair, because you are waving it, sometimes it can tend to get a little frizzy on you if you're not careful. And when you spray it with a flat iron spray, that just really helps prevent that from happening. I need a haircut. Hands are looking a little little frayed there. I mean, they are cut in the sense, like, they're not cut blunt, but this is like the most volume I could ever get in my hair by using this. And the closer you clamp it to your head, like the closer you start the waves to your head, the more volume you're going to have. And the more sections you do, that sort of thing. Why are you not waved? There. Now this is going to be a top side. I am going to do something with this side probably, but you want to, you know, pay extra special attention to your top because that's what you're going to see. I know this is kind of quiet, but like, I don't know. Can't say I'm really concentrating because this process really doesn't take a whole lot of concentration. I need to keep my mouth shut when I spray, really, is what needs to happen. I know it's kind of a mess behind me, just pretend it's not. I mean, like, what can you do? There are only so many hours in the day, you guys. I am not Superwoman. Me handy. My daughter asked me the other day if I could have any superpower, what would it be? She wanted telekinesis, I think is what it's called, when you like can move stuff with your mind. I'm checking the back. This one's waved, but not super well. And, send me daughter's cloth. Yeah. She said telekinesis, and, I mean, and as far as that would be cool, I said Mary Poppins powers because, if you're not familiar with Mary Poppins, she could, like, I think it was snap her fingers. And, like, things would just, like, go where they belonged. Like, the room would just, like, basically clean itself up. So, that's what I would choose. Okay, you want to wait until your head is cool. So, we just got to sit here and chat for, like, a couple seconds while my head cools. And, so, then you just want to go in and fluff your hair. Because you want to break up all those waves. Like, you can't leave it in its, like, little, you know, you can't leave it in its little wave, you know, in the big chunks. My husband's trying to call me. He's just going to have to wait a second. We're almost done. Now, you could totally leave it like this. What I like to do is take this chunk of hair right here. You can do this before or after you wave it. And I basically just stick a Dutch braid in it, which is just like a reverse French braid, an upside down French braid. There's a lot of different names for it, but you just do French braid. Instead of going over the middle pieces, you go under the middle piece. And I like to do this because it's like tucking your hair behind your ear, but not. And I think it just looks cute, you know? But I like to do mine after I wave it, because then I actually have like a little bit of oomph to my hair where normally I don't. And you just want to braid it down behind your ear a little bit so that it stays back like your hair is tucked behind your ear, but it's not. Like, get out of there, hair. And I just stick a little rubber band in it. There. Like, super cute. Right? Like, look how cute that is. And that took 15 minutes? 16 minutes and 52 seconds. Whatever. Right? So cute. I need to like wave my hair every time before I braid it because it looks so cute. Alright, that's it. That's all I got for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm just unplugging it. I hope you enjoyed this, you know, just like a cute like way to make your hair, you know, just give it like a cute look. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell because that'll notify you whenever I upload any other videos. And if you like this, give it a thumbs up. And I gotta go. So I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.